Kami si Tae. Mat at Yuri. Mat at Yuri kami. Yuri kami. Ako si Yuri, babae. At siya naman si Mat, ang lalaki. Maglalala tayo. Anong lagi? Boka-boka. Ay, ice cream na lang. Dessert, DIY. DIY ice cream. Finger. Oy, alam mo yung English na baliw? Baliw? Oh. Crazy! Tama. English ng tao. Uy, human. Ano babae tsaka lalaki people? Lahat yan ang tao. Ay, anong gusto mo lalaki? Ikaw, asam. Wait yan, ice cream. Iba-iba yung pinipili niya. Dito ka dito. Wait, gusto mo na yun? Kaya ka. Binatin mo tayo. Ayoko. Ano ba? Ay, bawag dapat. No, si ate. Yummy. Ay, baka may ads. May ads na naman. Pasensya. Si yung makulit. Hindi. Ito, yung poison. Yung poison. Mango. Ito, poison.
During the holidays, I will fly my little plane to travel around the world. The Egyptian pyramids are truly spectacular. The island in the lake is very artistic. The Chinese-style palace is very domineering. There are so many...
I just found the perfect way to keep my brain sharp, and it's actually fun. It's a game called Triple Match 3D, and it trains your thinking without ever feeling like work.
It's a fun way to improve your concentration, and also good for memory.
Oh, and the best part? No annoying ads, no...
Kita na tayo sa live.